let's take a look at some of the accessibility features that Libby has. So from my Android device screen, I'm going to click on Libby, and this will be the same setup as Apple devices. And from my bottom navigation, I'm going to make sure I've clicked the center button here, which will bring up this sort of libraries and settings screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this settings button. It's going to bring up a whole different list. I'm going to click on accessibility features. And this will give me the option to enable or disable a number of different effects, as well as orientation locking. So we have the ability to reduce color variation, the ability to reduce text variation, the ability to reduce motion. So that would be things like animation effects, reduce vibrations. So that is haptic feedback. So when you press buttons and your phone vibrates, we can suppress that. Below that is orientation locking. So we can choose to either have it as smart orientation, and that is where the screen will adjust depending on the device you're using. So it'll make it larger or smaller depending on what you're clicking into. Whereas system orientation will use the orientation of your device regardless of how big the screen is or what the website is recommending. So it'll keep it consistent the entire time.